beach to Vail. So much for climbing lessons, right? There's nowhere else to hold.
The biggest challenge of her life.
Right.
Climbing a boulder that's half her size.
Cállate. Just drove stick shift from Salamanca to Portugal, and we're here in one piece. Oy vey. Thank God. So how do you say thank you? Obrigado. Obrigada. Horrible pronunciation by me, but
There's a lot of pepperoni underneath the cheese. It's invisible.
Hey there, we're back with a vlog of our mini detour to Portugal. Why Portugal, you ask? Well, we were in Salamanca, which is about an hour and 15 minutes from the Portuguese border. So we figured, why not? Since we have a perro gigante who is not welcome on public transportation, we had to drive. It was an interesting drive, to say the least.
She stalled the car.
Okay, I stalled the car a few times, but overall I'm proud of the way I drove. I did a great job. We made it to our destination, Parque Natural da Serra da Estrella, safely, and spent the weekend there.
So anyway, while some footage from our stay in the Portuguese mountains is playing, we're going to talk about our favorite subject. It's obviously meals, and this includes eating out and some comfort food made from home. But before we left the United States, we created a budget, and we'll talk more about the budget at another time. But in creating the budget, we figured that we can eat out one time a day, while the other 2 meals per day would be cooked from home. And the way that this worked out in Spain, which was very clear to us at the beginning, the best way would be to eat out for lunch. And this is due to a fantastic creation that the Spaniards made, which is the Menú del Día, which is a 3-course, usually, fixed price menu that also includes a drink, and it's pretty affordable too, generally between, let's say, 10 and 18 euros, tax and gratuity included.
Okay, so now on to our meals from home. We have had some success in recreating our favorite meals, including tinga de pollo, one of Brandon's favorite dishes that I make. It was so hard to find the dried peppers and canned chipotles that I need for the recipe, but when we did find these products, we stocked up and made tinga regularly. Sopes. This began as a mistake since I tried making my own tortillas, but they ended up too thick. So instead I started making sopes. For anyone that doesn't know, a sope is made of corn, like a corn tortilla, but it is thick, rigid, and crunchy. You don't fold it like a taco. Instead, you put the ingredients on top and you eat it that way. And finally, apple pie. It was very hard to find a pie pan, and it was hard to adjust to weighing ingredients instead of measuring them. But with some practice, I made it work.
It's too fresh right now.
So what is that?
It's rice pudding. I don't know what it's
This
actually
is-
called. It's like a...
And that's a begging
No,
dog.
this is a creme brulee.
You need to not beg. No, you don't get any.
Of course, some things have been difficult to find in Spain. In addition to some of the Mexican staples Alexis already mentioned, it was a struggle to find tequila, like actual good quality tequila, above, let's say, Jose Cuervo quality, and some other staples like canned refried beans. And not only that, there's some also American staples that we haven't been able to find and we miss quite a bit, such as canned pumpkin for making pie, fresh bagels, and US-style pizza. I mean, Spanish pizza is good, but the pizza in Europe tends to all be the Italian Neapolitan style, and I really miss our Chicago thin crust style pizza. But it's not all bad. The fruit selection here has actually been really good. I would say better than what we've been able to find in Chicago, and we find ourselves eating a lot of really fresh and really cheap fruit that we've been able to find at local fruit stores.